Okay, so let's check out this Aabsom LED light ring. It's powered by USB. The cable is 6 feet long and the control that's in line on the USB cable is right in the middle of that length. The control has an on-off switch. You can change the color from white, natural to warm, and then there's 10 intensity or brightness settings. All of that available on this inline switch. Also included in the package is a Bluetooth camera remote, so you can trigger the shutter remotely. We see here there's threading on the ring for a tripod. You can use the included desktop tripod, or I actually mounted mine to a full-size tripod for my wife's Zoom station. And then there's this bracket that you can install in the middle of the light ring to hold your cell phone. All in all, I find this to be a very complete package. All right, check it out.